After reeling under stringent lockdown for nearly 2 months due to horrific COVID second surge, Delhi began to unlock the process in a phased manner from 7th of June. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced the unlock of the national capital. Now, as per the new guidelines, all markets and malls are going to remain open on the basis of odd-even system from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Standalone stores are going to be remaining open every day. Delhi Metro is also going to resume with 50% capacity. 100% of Group A officers are allowed and private offices can work with 50% manpower. Speaking on the possible third wave, Kejriwal said that all hospitals are ramping up the infrastructure. Government is increasing beds, oxygen infrastructure, medicines, along with beds for children. A team of doctors is going to be set up to guide people about medicines, along with setting up 2 genome labs. The unlock comes after dip in COVID cases. Delhi has recorded 523 new cases and 55 new deaths. Positivity rate currently is at 0.6%.
ये वाला जो लॉकडाउन पिछले हफ्ते ऐलान किया था वो सोमवार को सुबह 5 बजे तक है। उसके आगे भी लॉकडाउन जारी रहेगा, लेकिन काफ़ी सारी और एक्टिविटीज़ में रियायत दी जा रही है, उनको खोला जा रहा है। एक तो जितने बाज़ार हैं, मॉल्स हैं, उनको खोला जा रहा है ऑड इवन के बेसिस पे कि आधी दुकानें एक दिन खुलेंगी, आधी दुकानें दूसरे दिन खुलेंगी, आधी दुकानें एक दिन, आधी दुकानें दूसरे दिन। 10 बजे से सुबह 10 बजे से शाम को 8 बजे तक दुकान नंबर के हिसाब से, ऑड इवन के हिसाब से दुकानें खोली जाएंगी। दिल्ली मेट्रो 50% कैपेसिटी के ऊपर चालू की जा रही है और ई-कॉमर्स के ज़रिए जो सामान बेचने की प्रक्रिया है वो चालू रहेगी। तो मोटे मोटे तौर पे ये चीज़ों की रियायत दी जा रही है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ इसके बाद देखेंगे कि आने वाले हफ्ते के अंदर भी कोरोना की स्थिति अगर काबू में रही तो और कई सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को फिर उसके अगले हफ्ते खोलेंगे।
Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from Delhi is bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Aishwarya, the growing concern here is that Delhi saw an absolute collapse of the healthcare infrastructure. We saw how the second wave impacted everybody in Delhi, from a lack of oxygen to ICU beds to ventilators. Now, of course, unlock is required. We're going into a phase unlock. But what are the concerns at this point of time as Delhi begins to unlock from tomorrow?
Well, Chaiti, one of the biggest concerns obviously is to see a rise in the number of COVID cases, and that's what a lot of people are worried about. But Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is right in saying they cannot keep everything locked down forever. So on one hand, while he's saying the doctors are preparing, the hospitals are preparing, and the government is also preparing for a possible third wave, he also says it is essential to make sure the business is back on track, which is why we are seeing what we will see from Monday. In fact, Chaiti, will be opening up of shops now, odd and even will be applied, which means not all the shops will be open at a given point of time. Also, he's saying that the government is keeping a very close eye, and that's what even government sources are telling us, Chaiti. The government is keeping a very close eye, not just on the number of cases, also on the positivity rate. So in case we see an increase, there is a possibility of the government going ahead and taking other steps in days to come. But at the moment, the government feels it is the right time to begin the unlocking process. Back to you, Chaiti.
Yes, absolutely. Leave it at that, Aishwarya. Thanks for joining us with the very latest details right there.